Hi, welcome to this screencast. In this screencast, we are starting a new series called Deployapps.io. So, Deployapps.io is a tool which helps you to deploy your applications. It can be applications can be built using different framework or language. You can easily automate your deployment from your version control system to the server using this tool. It helps you to deploy your applications with zero downtime. So that means during the deployment, your applications won't be affected. The existing applications, it will be up and running. And if the deployment failed, it will not impact your existing application. So in this series, we will see step by step how we can use this tool to automate our deployment and um, you can even like share this tool with your team so that other like your teammates can deploy your project using this tool. Okay, so we will see all these features in the future episodes. So in the next step we will see how we can get started with the deploy apps. Okay, thank you.